Yebo, back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to move because we're in 2025 and we have to move very fast. Move the great speed. It's time not to mince words or sugarcoat anything, but to say it the way it happened, the way I saw it, the way I read the comments on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. It's time to say it the way I observed it, or the way the stories were given to me, were delivered to me, or the way the stories were submitted to me, and I received the stories. I'm gonna say it right now without fear or favor. There's a brand of people, or a set of people, a category of people, a group of people who are not happy in Matebelen province, Matebelen region. These Ndebele people are not happy. I saw a lot of comments on my videos on my channel, Kudzi Madziro podcast, and they were asking me a lot of questions on those videos, writing, typing a lot of questions to me in the form of comments. And I could see that they are not happy. They are not happy. They are angry. They are so furious with what's happening in Bulawayo or Matebelen province or Matebelen region, either Matebelen South or Matebelen North. I could see, I could decipher that, these people are not happy. This brand of people, this category of people, or this group of people, they are not happy with their life, socially, economically, politically, cultural, even financial. They told me, or they were saying in the comments on my videos, on my past videos, or on my previous video, they said to me, hey, what's happening to our roads? What's happening to our roads in our town, Bulawayo, or in our province? There are people who are just busy collecting money, collecting taxes, but they don't care about the roads. They don't care about the streets. There's a lot of dust in the streets. There's a lot of dust in Bulawayo CBD, Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city. There's a lot of dust. The road is dilapidated. The road is damaged. The road is out of shape, out of order. The road is not in good condition, good state. But these people are busy collecting money, collecting taxes every time. Taxes, levies. But they don't save the road. They don't do anything to the road. So these are some of the questions or things that they were submitting to me. And I'm like, what? Another commenter said to me, you know what, Kudzi? Those roads that you saw in Bulawayo town, Bulawayo CBD, those roads, those streets, they were built or they were constructed in the time of Rhodesia time, in the time of Ian Smith. I'm like, what? Rhodesia time? Ian Smith time? 19 what? 19 what? Is it what you are telling me? Then she said, yes. Those roads that you saw, those streets, roads in Bulawayo CBD, Bulawayo town, they were built back there in the years, back there in the days, during the time of Rhodesia, during the time of Ian Smith, during the Ian Smith regime in this country, Zimbabwe, in this nation, Zimbabwe. They were asking me on the comments on my videos, on my channel, Kudzi Madziro podcast. They said, what happened to our industries in Bulawayo? What happened to our factories or factories? Factories in Bulawayo. Bulawayo CBD, Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city. What happened? So and so and so people came and destroyed our industries that were doing a lot of good for the whole country, that were doing a lot of good for the whole Zimbabwean community, Zimbabwean society. What happened to our factories or factories that were producing at a high level? But so and so people, so and so guy, so and so this group of people, they came and destroyed everything. Now we don't have factories anymore in Bulawayo. We don't have industries anymore in Bulawayo because of so and so people, because of such and such people. I'm like, what? I didn't know that Once upon a time, there were industries in Bulawayo. I didn't know that once upon a time, there were factories in Bulawayo. I'm telling the truth and I don't lie. Jehovah God is my witness. I didn't know there were factories or industries in Bulawayo. I didn't know. But through the comments on my videos, on my channel, Kudzi Madziro podcast, I came to know that, once upon a time, there were factories. Once upon a time, there were industries in Bulawayo, CBD, Bulawayo Town, Bulawayo City. I'm like, what? One another commenter said to me on the comments on my videos, those industries or factories were once upon a time the industrial hub of Zimbabwe, industrial hub of this nation, Zimbabwe, feeding everyone, feeding all the families or family households in Zimbabwe, producing at a greater level, at a greater degree to the economy of Zimbabwe, contributing to the economy, contributing to the GDP, gross domestic product of Zimbabwe. But such and such people or so and so people came during this time, during this other year, and they damaged everything, they destroyed everything, they killed everything. Now we don't have factories anymore in Bulawayo. Now we don't have industries anymore in Bulawayo. When I read those comments, by default, or my default reaction, I felt pain in my heart. A lot of pain, great pain in my heart. I'm like, what? Oh God, what happened? I'm like, oh my God, Jehovah, what happened to Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city, Ndebele province? I was very much hurt. Some people, Ndebele people were asking me questions and they were not happy. They were saying to me, have you seen the quality of roads in Ndebele North or Ndebele South? Then I said, no, I don't know. They said, have you seen the quality of the roads? The quality of the infrastructure in Ndebele South, in Ndebele North, quality of the roads, quality of the infrastructure? I'm like, no, I don't know anything because I was born 2 days ago. I was born yesterday by my good mother. I don't know anything. I don't understand anything. But when I was analyzing, investigating everything, assessing everything, I saw, I observed, I found out that, this brand of people, Ndebele people, they are not happy with their life in Ndebele South, in Ndebele North, in Bulawayo. Quality of the roads, quality of the infrastructure, the state of the industries, the condition of the factories. They are not happy. They are not satisfied. I'm like, what? So all these burning questions, Ndebele people were asking me on my YouTube channel, Kudzi Madziro podcast. And I said to them, no, I don't know anything. I don't understand anything because I've never stayed in that side. I've never lived my life in that geographic side, Ndebele South or Ndebele North or in Bulawayo. Plus, I was born 2 days ago. I was born yesterday by my good mother. I don't know anything. I don't understand anything. So these were the questions on my YouTube channel, Kudzi Madziro podcast. I don't have answers. Truly, I don't have answers. Honestly, I don't have answers. Yo, it's so painful. It's so painful. What I'm hearing from Ndebele people. All the questions. What burning questions? I don't know. Okay. Let me end now because I'm feeling emotional right now. I'm feeling sad, painful right now. Let me end the video. I have no answers to all these questions. I have no answers. I was born 2 days ago. I was born yesterday by my good mother. I don't know anything. But I'm very sorry for what happened. I sincerely and faithfully apologize from my heart, from the bow of my spirit, from the bottom of my heart. I apologize for what happened in Bulawayo, Ndebele South, Matebele North, I apologize for what happened. I was born 2 days ago. I was born yesterday. I don't know anything. I don't understand anything. I didn't know there were industries in Bulawayo before or factories. I didn't know about the state of the roads until I came to Bulawayo myself, physically as a person. When I was working in this company, that brought me to Bulawayo. So I came to Bulawayo because of my work in this other business company from Harare. Then I came to Bulawayo. I was brought by work to Bulawayo or to Matebele province, Matebele region. Then I saw whatever, I saw everything. So if not for this company, I wouldn't have known about Bulawayo. I wouldn't have known or seen anything about Bulawayo. So that's how it is. Truly, I don't have answers. Honestly, I don't have answers. You know Zimbabwe, how it works. I don't have answers. But let's hope for the best. Hoping for the best, praying for the best, believing God for the best. Jehovah will give us grace and mercy. I'm done talking. Sharp.